Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we're going to be working on the 19 hairpins, and I'll be working right over here in this screen that is behind these ladies, and the color is 613 and it's kind of a yellowish green, if you will. So very pale yellowish green. So let me get that out of the way. Sorry for the glare there, but I tried to work around it. So I'm right down in here. So, how is everybody doing? It is Thursday already. Oh my goodness. Let me pull you in just a bit so you can see what is going on. I was so glad to get out of there last night. It was just kind of quiet, and it just drug right on, but here in a few weeks it'll get to be busier. So yeah, looking forward to that for sure. Oh my goodness. I didn't stitch on too much yesterday. Not at all. I worked a little bit on the peonies that we worked on the day or yesterday. So just put a few more strands and finish that one strand of pink that I was using. But not too much. I was just kind of done in by the time I got home. I sat down, made myself a cup of tea, and I had some fish, not sticks, but like fish fillets that they're already breaded, you know. Comes from Gordon, I think. Really like those. So I had that and tater tots because I'm still trying to get rid of those. They just seem to go forever. I usually have French fries, but I got tater tots this last time that I went to the store, so still gotta finish them up. Oh my goodness. I was just too tired. I couldn't even stitch on this last night. So hopefully today will be much more relaxing. And I can sit in my chair. It's supposed to be lovely weather. Now yesterday it was a little cloudy. It looked like it was going to do something, and it didn't do a darn thing. Nothing. Just looked bad for hour upon hour. So, yay. Fun times. But I do like stitching on this. The material is nice. The threads are nice. And it's so easy to work on. You know, I can work on these bigger areas. This goes on all the way around all these flowers, so I have no idea, you know, how far I'll get before I get tired of the whole thing. And not the whole thing, but want to work on some place different. I've been trying to finish out these, I want to call them ginkgo leaves, but they're like massive size. And I don't think ginkgo leaves are that big, but, you know, I don't know that much about ginkgo leaves. I thought they grew on trees, and they were about the size maybe of a $50, maybe more. So I could be wrong. It could be something totally different. If you know anything, put it in the comment section below. And have any more information about that. Come on, itsy bitsy. I'm going to put that needle over there. Get rid of this thread. I got my little corner of a, I don't know, see if I can pick it up and put it back. Chinese building. They're built so well. I guess that's why they've lasted for centuries. Okay, we're just gonna shift here, and maybe everything else is in a bag down here at my feet. So Fun times. But I like working on this, and it doesn't seem to make me hot. In fact, I have a little heater there, and I had to turn it off last weekend when I was working on this because it was just throwing the heat right, like it had come across this and right up into my face, so I had to turn it off even when it was cold outside. So it's kind of like having a blanket in your lap, but I do like it. I think it's going to be beautiful. Lots of different elements, and some of them are big, some of them are not as big. But yeah, I can hardly wait to get to working on their costumes there. Finishing that one lady that I already started. So I'd like to see some more progress on that and finish the black in her hair. Black, and I think it's that pewter gray black, you know, that they seem to be substituting these days for 310 black. I don't know if there was a shortage or just what, but yeah. And this one would be really good if you wanted to put it on like a Q-snap or something. I just can't stitch, you know, up, down. Like I've said before, it just kills my arm, so that's why I do things in hand. So, who knows how far we'll get this weekend. Still watching Outlander. I think I'm into the 3rd season, so we're getting there. But it should last through the weekend for sure. I'm gonna have to turn this again. I'm sorry. It's just the way that it is here. So what is everybody else working on? I hope y'all are working on something fun. Something that you love. You know, I saw that picture that Sharon sent me, and kind of makes me want to get out my Blackbird books. Heaven knows I have enough material to do just about whatever I want, as long as it's not too horribly big, you know. So we'll see. Might get out and get some of my silky threads out and do a small counted cross stitch this weekend. Don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. Anybody got any plans to go anywhere this weekend? I haven't made any plans with my daughter. I talked to her yesterday and she was in a rush, so that didn't happen. To get enough time to talk to her about any kind of plan, so we'll see what transpires. I may go and get pizzas at the truck stop and do that, and just sit and have a quiet lunch, because I'm just not in the mood for a big huge lunch. But yeah, we'll see. Oh man, it was a little bit windy yesterday. It wasn't too terribly bad. I'm thrilled about that part. Holy cow. So maybe that's why the bad weather didn't blow in. I have no idea, but it didn't do nothing. I was like, okie dokie. Wasn't cold. I mean, it was almost 65 yesterday, so the weather's getting better. I think it's supposed to be that way all weekend long, so I don't know how much wind's involved to drive that that temperature down, but we'll just have to play it by ear. I was thinking about making some kung pao chicken today for lunch, dinner. We'll see. Haven't made any decisions that way either, so we'll see. Just kind of wishy-washy this week. All right. Kind of wanted to finish this little, I'll just leave that there. Put that needle right there, and I want that one back because so far that's been a good needle. Wanted to finish that one area right here. That's a goal, and then we'll set another goal for maybe this area and knock off some of these little itty bitty areas. Pull that back out. There we go. So that I can just get like straight across this much. Then there'll be a little bit, and it goes on that away for a hot moment, trust me. But if I can get the bigger areas done a little bit at a time, we'll just have to wait and see. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.